this is like my busy mom, trying to eat healthy, work out, get my protein in, but also have a little bit of taste and also a little bit of crunch. So be a little bad lunch. So it's basically like shredded rotisserie chicken. I put a little bit of seasoning, hot sauce. I love pickled onions. And then I wanted to try to be a little bit healthy, even though I know chips aren't healthy, but kettle barbecue chips for a little crunch. And this is just how I eat it. If it's not this, I'll do it with tuna. I gotta have my crunch, some type of chip, my pickled onions, and again, my protein. I promise you it's so good. Isn't this the cutest little knife? It's so cute. It's Hello Kitty. All right, so then like normally what I do if I want a snack, I normally would just have like a Honey Crisp apple. Like their apples are just the best. But for some reason, I feel like whenever I cut them up, it's better. I don't know. I could just eat it raw, like if I don't have time. But another thing that I do if I want to have like some sweets, I normally try to eat a cookie. Like, I feel like there's something wrong with having one cookie, okay? But what I do is, example, okay, I'm going to the gym or something. I feel like I need to have like a little bit of energy. And honestly, I just did research or whatever. Honey is actually really good for that. So I'll just drizzle it with some honey real quick and then I'll just chomp in. It's healthy, it's clean. And it gives me that like sugar craving fulfillment. For breakfast, I had 2 boiled eggs. Also, I had my wisdom teeth removed yesterday, so my face is a little swollen, sorry. 2 boiled eggs. I had, before anything, I had a sourdough toast with some sunflower butter on top. Drank some water, went to the gym, did an hour at the gym. Then I came back and I had the 2 boiled eggs. Then I had my coffee as well because I needed something in my stomach. I took my multivitamins and I haven't ate nothing since. I did have yogurt before I had my little chicken. It was 15 grams of protein because it's a Greek yogurt. Actually really tastes really good. I got it from Aldi. I think it's called like Farmville, Farm Smile or something. Really good yogurt. It has like fruit at the bottom or something. And then for dinner, I have a little bit of turkey meat left over from the Taco Tuesday that I made. I probably will just eat that. And then some of the rotisserie chicken if I'm still hungry. But I'm trying to eat before, I'm trying to make sure I have dinner before 7. So, I can like burn it off by doing like chores around the house or whatever. So I can be in bed by 9. So I can wake up at 4:30 so I can get to the gym and do it all over again. So that's why it's important now to start meal prepping on Saturday and Sundays. So throughout the week, I can just breakfast, lunch, dinner, have it already ready. I'm in school. I can get that out the way. I'm a mom. So like, you see what I'm saying? So yeah. Yeah, I'll post day 2. This is my first video doing this. I'm just trying to like stay active and let you guys know like what I'm doing. The videos will get better as we go. But yeah, my little manic lunch before, work and after work, just letting y'all see. But gotta go. Bye.